To the viewers, now we discuss Hamiltonian graph. To get these basic ideas, at first let G dash be the graph and here is very important a path in a graph G dash which contains every vertex of G dash is said to be a Hamiltonian path. So here if we get the idea of Hamiltonian graph, at first we consider what Hamiltonian path is. Then we consider the Hamiltonian path. Then we consider Hamiltonian cycle. So Hamiltonian cycle is a cycle in a graph G dash is called Hamiltonian if every vertex of G dash is contained in the cycle of G dash. Then we call Hamiltonian cycle. Now we consider Hamiltonian graph. That's main point. Hamiltonian graph. A graph having Hamiltonian cycle, then we called it as a Hamiltonian graph. Now if we follow with the help of a figure, that is if we consider here the figure of a graph G dash, V1 dash like this, V2 dash, V3 dash and V4 dash in this way. If we set and setting here in this way, V5 dash, V6 dash, V7 dash and V8 dash. Now if we join this in this way, E1 dash, if we join it E1 dash, then E2 dash, then E3 dash, here we join here, that means incident with edges. Actually join means incident with edges, E4 dash, then we consider E5 dash, here E6 dash, E7 dash and E8 dash. Here if we join, that is E9 dash. If we join this, that is E10 dash. Here if we join E11 dash, and here E12 dash. So in this way we getting some pictorial representation. Then the cycle C dash will be, if we considering here, V1 dash to E9 dash to E9 dash to V6 dash. Sorry, here it is a correction, little bit of corrections here. If we consider here in this way, V5, 6, 7, 8, because that will be better for our arrangement. For our arranging the situations, we realign the number of the vertices in this way. V5 dash, V6 dash, V7 dash, and V8 dash in this way. So it will be V8 dash, E8 dash. That means this is a path distance, path actually, Walker path in this way. So V8, E8, V8, E8, V5 dash, then in this way E12 dash in this route, E12 dash, then V4 dash. After V4 dash, it will be E3 dash, then it will be V3 dash, then E11 dash. After that V6 dash, E6 dash, V7 dash, V7, then it will be E10 dash. After E10 it will be V2 dash. After V2 it will be U1 dash. After U1 it will be V1 dash. So starting and ending. And this cycle is called a Hamiltonian cycle. So here we idea of getting this type of idea, that how Hamiltonian paths, what Hamiltonian path is, and then we consider Hamiltonian cycle. After that we know what Hamiltonian graph is, and with the help of some pictorial representations we have got few idea about Hamiltonian cycle. Now we end our discussions. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.